Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit more depth to our picture that we started here, our text that we started here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Caveman Text like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to grab all this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Command A to copy it all, and then Command V to paste it like so. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and hit Enter, make sure it's already cleared. So let's go to Filter, and let's go to Other. Let's do Maximum. There we go. We're going to render this at a radius of about 7 pixels like so. Hit OK. Now, as you can see, this is going to give it a little bit more depth like this. So let's go to Filter. Well, let's render some lighting here. Lighting effects like so. And I'm going to keep my light type on Spotlight, of course. And let's see, we'll take our negative. We'll leave it at 35, our focus at 69, but let's change this color here. Let's change this to a brownish color. Hit OK. Maybe not so deep. Let's actually get something a little bit lighter. There we go. That's not so bad. And come down here, 0 sounds good. 69 looks pretty alright. For our under material, or for our exposure under or over, 0 sounds pretty good. For ambience, negative, positive, 8 looks pretty well as well. Texture channel, let's choose red, like so. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give this a 50% amountness like this. Let's go ahead and change this and make this a brown as well. So let's click up a little bit. Let's get a little bit darker brown going on. Hit OK. And that looks pretty good, so we're going to hit OK. And as you can see, we got a little bit of a rock texture going on here like so. What we're going to do is we'll pause here. We'll pick this up in the next part.